Okay, I'm going to give a quick lesson on selection tools. Again, here we've got all of our selection tools here. I can grab specific shapes. I can lasso random objects. If I go in here and grab my lasso tool, I can just grab like a specific shape. Command D deselects. And then I've got a couple different things, and this works for every single tool. If I hit the Option key, so first of all, let me make a selection here. Then if I hit the Option key with that selection tool on, you'll see that it's a lasso with a minus. That means that I can subtract out part of that. So it allows you to add and subtract. So I've just subtracted the portion of that background. If I want to add to my selection, I hit my Shift key and I can add. Okay, and again, Command D deselects things. I want to select out my background. In fact, I'm going to make a bunch of different selections. I'm going to do my hair, my eyes, my skin, my jacket, the background. Those are all going to each be their own selection. I want to start with the background. I'm going to use a tool, the Magic Wand tool. What the Magic Wand tool does is it selects anything that it sees as a similar pixel color. So if I were to select this right now, it grabs everything that it thinks is black. Actually, I'm in my background copy right now. So it's seeing, let's hide this, it's seeing everything that it sees as black. I've got my tolerance set to 30. If I were to set it to 100, for instance, oops, and do the same selection in that background, you'll notice that it grabbed some of my hair, it grabbed all of my jacket, it just grabbed way too many things. So I can set my tolerance based on how similar I think the colors are that I'm trying to grab. I'm going to set it to 30 and go in and try again. So when I select on 30, it does a fairly nice job of isolating me from the entire background. Now there's a couple things that I don't want selected and a couple things that I do. So now I'm going to use the lasso tool to grab what I want and what I don't want. I don't want any of this sweater, so I'm going to actually hold my Option key down and trace out this area of the sweater that it decided to select based on how well it matched sort of that black background. And you can almost see this is a darker shadow area. Get rid of that. I want to add to a selection. I don't want this to be here, so I'm going to hit the plus key and get rid of that. And this tiny corner is really all I need then. Okay. Oh, you know what else I want? I'm going to use the Magic Wand tool for this, so I don't have to trace it. I'm going to hold Shift and add to the selection there. So that is one way to make selections. There are other selection tools in here that I'll show you as we go along.